Well done, Rachel. Take a breath. You're okay. Anya, what do you think of that?
You've been to a show all night and you come out and you do that. Oh my god. For starters, I'm loving the outfit. It's gorgeous. And as soon as you mentioned Bring Me to Life, I was like, yes, I knew you'd nail it, and you did. I had goosebumps through the entire thing. It was so haunting, and I was like, oh. And then the power, you were everywhere. I was like, where's she finding the breath to do all this? I mean, you had like operatic notes in there. You were like, down here, and then you were belting, and then you were like in your falsetto. I was like, Jesus Christ, how do you do it? Your vocal ability is insane. You just come out here, right, and you have smashed that. I know you said, you were like, I'm really worried about this category. I was like, oh God, no. So I was trying to help, and then obviously I said the thing where you can go within a year in front or a year before, because some years were better in music. And then you were like, right, okay, got it, done. And I was like, okay, there's another one done. And I was so intrigued because you were like, right, okay, no, I'm doing it now. And you've come out here and you've smashed it. I loved it. You should be incredibly proud of that. Well done.
Kelly?
Do you know, you bring so much individuality to every single performance that you do. It's so quirky to combine opera with rock. Like, not many people would have the creativity to think to do that. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, no, I'm just really tired.
That's alright, because I don't want you to like pass out or anything, and you look a bit sort of like just. I'll be really, really quick. To put like opera with rock, it just shows how versatile you are, and you put so much personality into every single thing you do. It was such a powerful performance, and what a way to end like the first theme. You really ended it with a bang. That you should be mega proud of what you achieved there. That was really creative, fantastic performance. Well done.
Rachel, honestly, I wouldn't worry about that bit in the middle, what you know that went on, because let me tell you now, a couple of weeks ago, when you first came into this, it was really bold, and I did say on your last performance, wow, you are right up my street. You offer so much variety vocally, and again, I want to bring up, like, I don't know if I've mentioned it out to you, but I've mentioned it in rehearsals in the past, and that you do remind me so much, in your own unique way, of Kathleen Jenkins. That was part of this search a long time ago, and she went on to Britain's Got Talent. She made it all the way to the semi-finals. She flips her voice between different genres, from rock to classical to opera. She goes all over the place, and that's what makes her so unique. And I want to give you this because I generally believe this, that if you can really, really polish this right up to where you need to be, because like I said, the only reason it went a bit over them was because you was giving us so much. You know, you threw yourself off. Don't feel like you're going to do that, because sometimes less is more, and I can see what you're capable of. But I'm going to give you this, but you are the exact sort of person that these sort of TV shows, Britain's Got Talent especially, will snap up like that. You are the sort of person, and honestly, I'm telling you that because you've got the ability to go a long way. So keep being unique. The fact that you are starting to play with it now, when we picked up on the rehearsal, hang on, can you sing opera? And then he was like, yeah, I'll try it. And he was like, and I was like, wow. And the fact that you've been exploring it since now is really allowing us to really see how unique you are, and how special you are, and how bold you could be in this whole entire industry, not even in this competition. After this, you've got what it takes. And I'm telling you that because I've seen it happen a million times. It could be you next. I genuinely believe that. That was beautiful. Wow. Absolutely loved it. What sort of variety was that? Wow. Well done. Round of applause for Rachel.